大家好，欢迎来到碧露蓝缕，我是主持人凌岑。青山傍城阔，绿水绕人家。说到乡村振兴，怎么能不提一提我的家乡成都呢？ The journey of village rejuvenation in Chengdu mirrors the city's youthful spirit, with Universiade and the city cycle events capturing global attention. Modern Chengdu has emerged as a shining beacon of sports event excellence on the world stage. 当乡村振兴遇上现代体育，二者会碰撞出怎样的火花呢？接下来就跟随着我的步伐，一起去看看。Ladies and gentlemen, a warm welcome to everyone. I find myself at the Liangjing village nestled within Chengdu. Tonight, we will witness the kick-off village-level basketball tournament right here. Despite the competition's late start, the town is already advanced with anticipation. Look at the market behind me. You can see an array of unique goods beckoning to visitors like you. Meanwhile, you can savor tea or enjoying the rural karaoke competition on the opposite side of the village, ensuring departure bringing with great satisfaction. This very venue will host the opening ceremony, where 25 exceptional teams across from the province will engage in nearly 50 exhilarating matches, featuring the professional basketball courts and spirited cheerleaders. I wonder if you've been captivated by the atmosphere here. Let's wish this competition a complete success and also look forward to this village bursting out with different kinds of vitality after this event.
比赛开始，好，对抗一下，真心要传来一位Dazzling，两分球。
Except for the VBA in Liangjing village, from the VBA in Pixian County Chengdu to the Wenzhen Conference Fitness Festival, Chengdu leveraged the significant appeal of sports, integrating modalities like live streaming with e-commerce, and spared no effort to cultivate rural culture and tourism sectors to foster the revitalization of rural areas. 希望的田野，连绵的青山，是过去乡土中国的代名词。而成都这座西部大城，正在运用现代体育事业的力量，令乡村的青山稻田化作村民致富、乡村振兴的神奇力量。